Hello, okay, we are video project number 1, and we're going to start off doing number 3 first, and the setup is,
It's solve the linear system equations algebraically. So our system is 3x plus 2y equals 13, 3x plus 2y plus z equals 13, and 2x plus y plus 3z equals 9.
so we already have this one figured out because x or z is already canceled out, so that's our first new equation, so we can write it. That looks not right. Okay, and then what we have to do is put these two together and solve for z. So we'll set that up.
Because we want to get our second new equation.
Yeah, we want to find our second new equation.
So you take 3x plus 2y plus z, that equals 13, and then 2x plus y plus 3z, and that equals 9. And then you want to cancel out the z because the z was already canceled out in the first new equation.
So we have to solve for the other two. And go ahead.
Okay, so then you times the top equation by -3 so they cancel.
So it becomes negative 9x minus 6y minus 3z equals
left to your right, waiting for your rush.
negative 30.
Waiting for you.
9.
And then these two cancel out. You get negative 7x, negative 5y equals negative 30.
And then that is your second new equation. So just write it here so that you'll know. And then you will take this equation, your first new equation, and your second new equation, and then you'll solve for either one, whatever one you want to, x or y. And so we set it up. 3x plus 2y equals 13. And then you'll do negative 7x minus 5y equals negative 30. And then what did we solve for?
And then you want to solve for x. No. We solved
For y.
Solve for y.
solve for y. Well, you want to cancel out the y's.
Yeah.
So you want to solve for x.
Yeah, so we're canceling out the y's. So then you'll take this top equation by 5 and the bottom equation by 2, and you'll get 15x plus 10y equals 50.
Should be 65.
65.
65. And then the bottom one will be negative 14x minus 10y equals negative 60. And then take it away.
Okay, and then you cancel out the y's. So then you get x equals 5.
Yep. And then when you find the x, you could fill it into one of the new equations to find y. And then, so we'll set that up. We'll solve it, or we'll find y for the first new equation because it's just a little less negative numbers. So we could do 3 times 5 plus 2y equals 13. Then you'll get 15 plus 2y equals 13. Minus 15 on both sides. Then 2y equals negative 2. And then you divide by 2 on both sides. And then y turns into -1, and that is y, and that is x. And then
Now we gotta
go ahead.
find for z.
So when you want to solve for z, you put x and y into one of the old equations. So
And I think we're putting it into
one of these. We could put it into the second one.
should we
Yeah, we'll erase some to give you some room so you can see. We'll erase this right here since we already found x. So we have some room to write.
So we're doing it in the second.
Yeah.
So 3 x is 5, right?
Yep.
Plus 2
Times -1
1
plus z
z
equals 13
and then so you get 15
minus 2
minus 2
plus z equals 13. And then 15 and 2 will pair up to be 13. Plus z equals 13. And then subtract 13
Devin, roll to the office. Devin, roll to the office.
subtract 13
to the other side, and z equals 0. And then your triple coordinate turns out to be 5, -1, and 0. That's the final answer. And that is number 3 for you.